How to turn a lighter into a soldering iron. Discover how to transform it into a precise and powerful soldering iron, enabling you to fix anything, anywhere. We need a lighter to ignite fire, like the kind used for the oven. We take an electrical wire, remove its outer sheath, and keep the copper inside. Grab a screwdriver and some copper wire, then wrap the wire around the screwdriver like this. After that, make the adjustments you see. Now attach the wire on top of the lighter, then secure them together with electrical tape. After that, turn on the lighter and leave it on until the wire turns red, like this. Now place the solder on the head of the lighter, and as you can see, the solder melts and sticks to the lighter perfectly. This time, I'll try to detach and separate the wire from the light bulb. To do this, I'll light the lighter and let it heat the wire until it turns red. After that, I'll place it directly over the wire. As you can see, the wire was removed with complete ease and simplicity. To conclude, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments.